Hello YouTube, I'm going to start this video by not being able to talk. Today's video is going to be about my hair. These are 18-inch long extensions, so if you want to learn how to put on extensions when you have short hair, just keep watching. Alright, so the first thing you need when you're going to be putting in extensions is a teasing comb. Oh, that's got hair in it. A teasing comb with a pointed end that you can use to section off your hair. And hairspray. Any hairspray works. Any hairspray with a lot of hold. And your extensions. The first thing I'm going to do is put my hair up. And I'm going to leave a tiny section in the back. And then I'll turn around and show you how tiny I'm talking, because pretty fucking tiny.
Right, turn off the lights, we gonna lose our minds tonight. What's the dealio? I love when it's all too much. 5 a.m. turn the radio up.
You want it to be pretty small section all the way at the bottom of your hair. So the next thing you're gonna do is take your teasing comb and tease away. You want to tease each piece so much that it sticks out a little bit. That's when you know it's good, see? So you want to do that to all of your hair.
Rock and roll. Body crasher, penny snatcher. Call me up if you a gangster. Don't be fancy, just get dancy. Why so serious?
So, once you do that, I'm going to show you what it looks like. It look pretty weird and sticking out all over the place. And then you're going to take your hairspray and you're going to hairspray the shit out of it. Once that's done, you're going to find the extension that is the shortest this way. See, this has not a lot of space between the clips. That's what you want to put on your bottom section. You're going to put it over into the hair, and then you're going to clip it. So, into the hair and clip. And you want to clip the middle section first. And then you kind of want to clip. If your hair is this short, you want to clip these sections back. Okay? And now you have your first one. Well, let's continue. You're gonna do the same thing. Gonna let down a section. Gonna let that hair down, girl.
Serious. So raise your glass if you are wrong in all the right ways.
You tie your hair back up, and then you're gonna be ready to rumble. Alright, so tied that back up, and now we're gonna do the same process.
So raise your glass if you are wrong in all the right ways. All my underdogs, we will never be anything but loud and bitty.
And then you're gonna take one of the clips that has more space between the clips. It's easier to brush this before you put it on your head, because then you're not tugging on the clips that are in your hair. Okay, and you're gonna do the same thing. Find the center, clip. Find the left side, and try to hide the hair as best as possible. You can leave some side sections in front of your ears if you want to. If you want to. Really? So you can kind of see it. I'm going to show you what to do with the bottom section when we get to the end.
Bitty, gritty, dirty little freaks. Won't you come on and raise your glass? Just come on and raise your...
So now, guess what?
Don't you understand? Wish you just freak out. Freak out already.
And I'm gonna put a link in the description to the hair extensions that I bought. They are real hair, and they were roughly about 80 bucks. The longer they are, the more expensive they are. So if you want shorter ones, you could definitely get them for like 50 bucks.
Stop coming in hot. I should be locked up right on the spot.
And you want to take another one that has about 2 inches of space between the clips.
It's so on right now. So on right now. Body crasher, panty snatcher. Call me up if you a gangster.
Okay, so we're gonna do the same thing, and we're gonna keep doing the same thing until we die. And I'm gonna show you what I do with the top of the hair. So you're gonna take your sectioning comb, part your hair wherever you normally part it. Mine is on this side right here. Okay, see how full this side is compared to this one? We're gonna start with this side. I'm gonna show you how I do it on that side. So you want to have a little bit of hair to go over the extension to cover it.
Don't be fancy, just get dancy. Why so serious?
And you're gonna get one of the 2 clip ones. 2 clips. And you're gonna, this is also like kind of hard to do without a mirror because I'm doing just doing this in the webcam. So you want to clip it kind of far back, like right here. I know I look really dumb right now, so you don't have to tell me if that's what you were going to tell me. I know I look dumb. Okay, now this side is done. The extensions on this side are done. So then you're going to undo this one, and now we have some in the back. And now I'm going to show you what I do on the thicker side.
Serious. So raise your glass if you are wrong in all the right ways. All my underdogs, we will never be any.
You're going to take another 3 clip one with about an inch in between the clips. And you want to make sure you always have some hair covering the clip. So if you have to pick up, see, like I'm picking up this right now so that this can fall over the clip and disguise it, because we don't want people to know that this isn't my real hair. That would be traumatic. Okay, so now last clip, we're gonna pull a section down right here.
And nitty-gritty, dirty little freaks. Won't you come on and raise your glass? Just come on and raise your glass. Won't you come on and raise your.
You're gonna take a 2 clip. This is the last 2 clip that I have.
Your glass. Oh shit, my glass is empty. That sucks. So if you're too.
Like I said, that you have some hair to put over it in the back and some hair on the side to put over it. So now I'm gonna show you how to fix this shit. Okay, so I got my hair straightener now. It's a Remington Pearl. I'm gonna put it on 380 because with extensions I'm just kind of scared to put the temperature too high. While we're waiting for that to heat up, it heats up really fast. We are going to take these top sections and we're gonna tease the shit out of them. Okay. And then we're gonna kind of lay it down like that. Okay.
So if you're too school for cool, and you treat it like a fool.
Now that my straightener is heated up, I'm just going to kind of straighten and kind of straighten like at an angle. This is only if you have wavy hair like me, because I do have really wavy hair. You can also straighten the extensions. I'm gonna have to fix this one later. I'm gonna have to give it a stern talking to because it is not staying very well.
You can choose to let it go. We can always party on our own. So raise your glass.
So once you have all the sections teased and straightened, I'm going to show you the back of my head. And you just kind of want to blend it in seamlessly with the other hair. Okay, so now the next step is bobby pins. So you want to take a bobby pin and you want to kind of lift a little bit, just a little bit, lift it up from the extension. So I'm going to kind of do like a twisty motion over here, and I really want to hide the extensions on this side because my hair is kind of blonde right there. I have like some blonde pieces. I kind of put that up a little bit and blend it with the other hair so it looks more natural. Okay, so after I do this, as you can see, you can still see my bottom section because my hair is so short. But it's also long enough that I can clip it up, so I'm gonna do that. So if your hair is long enough that you can kind of twist it up, kind of like a mini French twist, do that. If your hair is too short for that, just clip it up into little sections, like take a section and put the bobby pin up into the extension clip, and that'll help a lot with that. Down below, make sure you like and subscribe to this video and other videos in the future. Thanks for watching my video, and keep coming on my channel for more cool beauty stuff. See ya.
So raise your glass.